वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji was the ninth of the 10 Gurus of the Sikh religion. The Guru Granth Sahib Ji contained 116 poem hymns composed by him. The Guru recited the forced conversion of Hindu Kashmiri Pandits and non-Muslims to Islam. The sixth Guru, Guru Hargobind Sahib Ji, has one daughter, Bibi Biro Ji, and five sons, Baba Gurditta Ji, Surajmal Ji, Ani Rai Ji, Atal Rai Ji, and Tyagmal Ji. Tyagmal Ji was born in Amritsar in early hours of 1 April 1621, who came to be becoming Tegh Bahadur, which means mighty of the sword, given to him by Guru Hargobind Sahib Ji after he had shown his valour in a battle against the Mughals. Amritsar at that time was the center of Sikh faith as the seat of the Sikh Gurus, and with its connection to Sikhs far-flung areas of the country through the chains of masans or missionaries. It had developed the characteristics of a state capital. Guru Tegh Bahadur was brought up in Sikh culture and trained in archery and horsemanship. He was also taught the old classics such as the Vedas. He preferred prolonged spelling of Salkoshan and contemplation. Tegh Bahadur was married in 3 February 1633 to Mata Gujri Ji. Stay at Baba Bakala. In the 1640s, Guru Hargobind Sahib Ji and Nanki Ji moved to his ancestral village of Bakala in Amritsar district together with Tegh Bahadur and Mata Gujri. Bakala, as described in Gurbilas Daswan Padshahi, was that a prosperous town with many beautiful pools, wells, and bawlis. After Guru Hargobind Sahib's death, the Tegh Bahadur continued to live in Bakala with his wife and mother. Guruship. Sikh tradition has a myth concerning the manners in which Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji was selected as the ninth Guru. A wealthy trader, Baba Makhan Shah Lubana, had once prayed for his life and has promised to give 500 coins to the Sikh Guru if he survived. He arrived in search of the ninth Guru. He went from one claimant to the next, making his obeisance and offering 2 gold coins to each Guru, believing that the right Guru would know that his silent promise was to give 500 coins for his safety. Every Guru he met accepted the 2 gold coins and bid him farewell. Then he discovered that Tegh Bahadur also lived at Bakala. Labana gifted Tegh Bahadur the usual offering of 2 gold coin. Tegh Bahadur gave him his blessing and remarked him and said to him that he should have to give 500 coins. Makhan Shah Lubana ran up to upstairs and then shouted, Guru Ladore, meaning I have found the Guru, I have found the Guru. In August 1664, a Sikh Sangat did a Tilak ceremony and made Tegh Bahadur Ji as the ninth Guru. In 1675, Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji was executed in Delhi on 24th November under the orders of Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb, as Guru recited the forced conversion of Hindu Kashmiri Pandits and non-Muslims to Islam, and was publicly killed in 1675 on the orders of Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb in Delhi. For himself, refreshing Mughal, refusing Mughal, and and 2 gurdwaras named as Shri Sisganj Sahib and Rakabganj Sahib in Delhi in the martyrdom remindable of Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. As Guru Sahib is not with us by the body, but he will remain with us by the soul, and they will provide us blessings and protect us from any evil. Vaheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh.